welcome back to my channel. So I've got a little bit of a haul for you today. I'll be using these right here for this one, and it's from Beauty Big Bang. It took about 4 weeks for these to get here, which isn't too bad, but I bought the 5 sets of Chameleon stamping polishes, and then I got a few other goodies as well, which I will show you. So, because I've got the stamping polishes, I obviously wanted to swatch them and stamp for you. But I did buy some other things, which I do want to go through because I got a new stamper and scraper and things like that. So I'm just going to go through each thing that I bought out of the other bag. I got some of these clippers because I like to use striping tape, but it's really hard to cut it off. So I thought using these, it would be a little bit easier. Well, I like how it comes with like a safety thing. So you just literally, this can get really close and you can like get that off like that. So I got some of these. I got some new tweezers because everybody in my house keeps pinching my tweezers. And these are just absolutely stunning, aren't they? Look, iridescent, and again it's got the little thing on it, and they're really pointy as well, which makes it easier. So if you want to fold things in using decals and things, that works really well. It's really good for picking things up, and they're a really good size as well, which makes them easier to use. So they are the tweezers. And I got this is nail art tool. I can't remember what you actually call it. It's just like a spatula sort of thing for glitters and maybe pushing your cuticles back as well. I'm sure that would be a good way to use these. I've never had one before. So there we go. And I think you're supposed to push your cuticles back with it like this, aren't you? Oh, do you know what? That's actually really good. I like that. And you can also scoop glitter with it too. Oh, the colours are gorgeous. Okay, so that's that. That's very good. So this is one of the stampers that I bought. If I can get into it. And it comes with a scraper. I love Beauty Big Bang scrapers. I already had one, but I bought 2 stampers in this haul, and they both came with an extra scraper, which was really good. And yeah, it's the same one. Little Christmas scraper. And then I got this double-sided stamper, which I suppose you could take that out and sort of see. You can't really see through that, but that's like just like a, if you don't need to be able to see what you're doing. So I got that one, and then I got this one as well. So it's another one of those big ones that I like using. My pink one is sort of like that, but that's the metal one, and this is just normal. Look how clear that is. That's really good. I like that. You can never have too many stampers. And oh, I also got this, which I'll be testing out as well. This is the thermal nail polish. I'll pop that with the polishes, and then we'll have a look at that later. Oh, I forgot I got a stamping plate. Oh, so this is a Christmas stamping plate, if you can see that. So I got this because of this. You could use it as like wrapping paper or candy cane stripes, whichever one you want. and it's got Santa's glasses and moustache on this side, and I'm holding it upside down. There we go. It's got, are they sheep? Sheep for some reason, and Christmas trees, stars, banners that say Merry Christmas, and Christmas hat and mittens right there. Oh, I also got a little freebie, which are the nail wraps. And I got some like replacement stamping heads because I go through them like God only knows. I love that they come in these and not just little wrappers, but they are quite hard to get out. But that one should fit that one. And then I got the little one as well, which should fit this one. Hopefully I've sized that right. Yeah. And then they throw in like a free nail file as well, which is really good. You can never have too many of those either. I just wanted to quickly show you as well. Let me just move these out of the way. This that I got, this is the Maniology, oh, I can't remember what they called it. Oops. Stamping station, that's it, stamping station. So it's basically somewhere, instead of like getting lots of scraps of paper or using loads of nails and things to practice your manis on them and deciding if you don't like them or you like them but you change this, you can use this pad so it's all in one place. So it's got like the first layer is where you can practice the actual mani. So this bit is where you can actually stamp on your mani and use colours to make sure that the colours that you're using are good to go, and write down the polishes that you're using. And then if you lift that up, you get the sticky part that you can actually take off the excess of the stamper. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like you're supposed to take this off. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then this is the paper. Let me just pull that out so you can actually replace it. Now you get lots of the sheets of paper, and then you peel when you're ready, and the sticky stuff is just underneath where it says peel, which is really good. So I might show you a few stamping swatches on there. We will see. Because I am waiting for my Chinese right now. I am so hungry. I cannot wait for that to come. But right now I'm going to swatch these for you. So I'm going to pop on a little bit of music, swatch these, and I hope that you like it. And if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears around the ground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe in hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle
down.